G'day and welcome to this week's Friday Beers and Tools with Andy. This week we've got another boutique Tasmanian beer, also from the Seven Sheds Brewery. I don't know why I have trouble saying that, but anyway, this is the Seven Sheds SIPA, or St Ella Indian Pale Ale. Let's give the SIPA a try. Ooh, gassy. Ooh. Very gassy. Hang on, I've got to clean my dad's table. Okay, now that I've cleaned up that rather heady beer, Seven Sheds is a small boutique brewery that is located, I think, less than an hour from my place here near Launceston. And this is their St Ella IPA, or otherwise known as SIPA. Seven Sheds, what do they say? You'll find a few IPAs being brewed around the year at Seven Sheds. Indeed, you'd have found the odd one there well before the style became one of the hottest properties in the Aussie craft beer world. Thank you, Seven Sheds. However, being Seven Sheds beers, they're typical IPAs with both feet planted firmly in beers past, inspired by the English IPAs of yore. That said, in the case of the SIPA, you can find some common ground with those of more contemporary leanings, as the Tasmanian-grown Ella hops deliver upfront tropical fruit characteristics. I can attest to that. Very tropical fruit. The beer was originally called Stella IPA, as that was the original name of the hop when AB InBev challenged Hop Products Australia. It became Ella, and the beer St Ella. Aside from the hops, you'll find bold, sweet, dark fruits, malts at play before the spicy bitterness wraps things up. Bold and sweet. Yeah, definitely. And quite malty, but really nice. And quite amazingly, on the end of the palate, on the almost the aftertaste of the beer, there is a spicy bitterness to it. Not heavily so, because I don't like particularly bitter beers, and IPAs are known for their lack of bitterness, I guess is the better word. Being a Seven Sheds boutique beer, they are a 500ml bottle, as previously. This is also a 6.8% alcohol volume, so that is 2.7 standard drinks in that half litre of beer. I'm not driving anywhere after this one. It's a bloody nice beer. I must remember to take my son there when next time he comes visiting. Anyway, it has ABV of 6.8%, as I mentioned, and I really like supporting local boutique brewers. That is a really nice beer. On my Spanner scale, what do I give the SIPA, the St Ella IPA from Seven Sheds? That's a 4.5 out of 5 Spanners for me. Really nice beer. Recommended. Alrighty, let's get on to this week's tools, and it is another Knipex product. Those that have been following me for a while, I really like the German Knipex brand. Yes, they are much dearer than the Chinese crap that you buy, but they are also German quality and have proven themselves over and over again. This set I bought from Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below if you are interested in buying it. These are the Knipex Cobra Pliers, and it's a pair of pliers. I will open them in a sec. This is the Knipex 003120V01 set of pliers. They class them as water pump pliers, but we'll have a look in a minute at the Cobra design and have a look. I think I might need scissors. Knipex German, very good blister packs as well. All right. The set consists of 2 of their Cobra type pliers, and they are a sliding type arrangement which has a push button to adjust right out to a very large opening. This is the larger of the two, and I believe this is a 10-inch. Oh, they come nicely oiled. The really good thing about Knipex is their jaw design, and these are actually designed so that there is no slip. There's a very good other YouTube channel that I have watched a few times myself, and he does very good reviews on hand tools, etc., called Project Farm, and I'll put a link up to his channel up here. He has compared Knipex to a whole heap of American-made pliers, Japanese-made pliers, and the Chinese rubbish, and the Taiwanese often pretty good stuff, and the Knipex comes out on top, although of course its cost is a factor. If cost is a factor and you're starting out setting up tools, Knipex is probably not for you, because this set of two Cobra Pliers was $88 delivered, came through Amazon, and I'll put a link bottom, came from Amazon UK actually, through Amazon Australia, and was very quick to get here. The largest set is 250mm long and will go up to 2-inch diameter in opening, clamping, and yes, 2-inch or 50mm. The smaller set is 180mm long, and they go up to 1.5-inch opening. That's a very handy little size for in a pouch or an electrician's toolkit or something like that, whereas these are probably more like for mechanics or for plumbers, things like that, larger set. They are extremely strong, they are extremely well made. Knipex just makes excellent tools. As I mentioned, these were $88 for the set, which is a little on the exy side. However, some places in Australia, one set from a lot of the big tool manufacturing or big tool shops is probably around about the same. So for me, it's pretty good value buying them as a kit from Amazon for the two sizes. Value for money at $88, buying them from the Amazon link that I'm putting below is probably pretty good value, I would think, and I would give them a 4 out of 5 for value. Buying them from a big tool shop in Australia, and I'll just look that up quickly. So most of the big brand tool resellers in Australia, Total Tools, Adelaide Tools, etc., the single set retails from anywhere between $69 and $78. So again, $88 for the pair is really good. The smaller set, wow, the smaller set, the 180s, actually are available in Australia from the big tool shops for around about $78. So really, for the price of one set, you're getting a pair by buying them from Amazon US, Amazon Australia, Amazon UK. That's good value for money as far as I'm concerned. I am gradually replacing a lot of my crappy, cheap Chinese tools with quality, and they should see me out for the rest of my life. A lot of the Chinese ones probably would too. Are they as good quality? Are they strong? Do they grip as well? No. No to all of the above. So as I come across bargains, as far as I'm concerned, comparison to what you pay from the big tool shops, I'll be replacing a lot of my tools with these Knipex products. Very nicely made. I really like their grips, and they are just a really nice product. A bit on the dear side, you can buy slip wrench type tools much cheaper, but nowhere near as good quality. So if you're starting out, probably not the tools for you. If you're into quality tools, or you're gradually replacing your cheaper tools with good quality tools like I am, then definitely these are recommended. For functionality, the Cobra Pliers are a 5 out of 5 for me. Nothing comes close to them as far as how much grip strength they can provide, how strong the actual pliers are, and the quality of the slip joint in the pliers with this push button locking system. Much better than the old channel lock type. They're okay, they work, but these are much better. Step up again. So 5 out of 5 beers for functionality. Anyway, that's it for this week's Frybat. Hope you enjoyed that. Again, if you think somebody that you know might be interested in this sort of stuff, watching me spill beer over my beloved dad's white cedar table, then please share the video around. I hope you enjoyed that. Anyway, that's it for this week. Happy Friday. on my scanner spale. Haven't had that much of it yet. Gassy. Ooh. Very gassy.